Hi friends, I just received this new ActDoer portable fire pit or portable grill, however you want to use it. Let me show it to you. This is the main blade of the fire pit. You get a really nice bag to bring it with you to carry on the pit like this. This is the way to bring it with you. Really, really easy, really convenient, okay? So let me put it together. Of course, we're not going to turn it on here, but I want you to see how easy it is to put it together, okay? Of course, you can use it with or without these ones, depending on what you're going to do. If you just want to have a fire pit, maybe you could use it without these ones, just like that, just the fire over there. Or if you want to cook something, these are the accessories you need, okay? This is the cooking shelf, and you want to put it like that, okay? So you could put anything here. You can put a pot or anything you want to heat here, like in a stove, okay? This is the ActDoer fire pit, portable fire pit.